When somebody speaks a language, we translate into our mother tongue to understand. Please stop doing that from today. When you listen to English, please listen and understand only English, not a translated version of English. Will you try this? Second point, listening. When we listen to anything, we listen only for the meaning. We don't listen for language. When I'm talking to you, all of you are listening to the points which I'm making. How is English important? How to listen. You are able to understand the meaning, but meaning is not important for improvement. For improvement, what is important is language. What we require is language. When we listen for the first time, only meaning comes. You know, when I'm speaking to you, only meaning becomes clear. So when you are practicing listening, please listen to the same passage again and again and again, same passage, not different one. Some speech, you have so many speeches here, listen to those speeches. If they are in English, again and again and again, till it becomes a part of your memory. God has given us, you know, a supercomputer. It is called the head-top computer. Not desktop, not laptop, but head-top, free computer. You don't have to pay any money, it is there. How much space is inside? Endless GB. I can't count, not 30 gigabytes, 50 gigabytes, endless GB space. In that space, there are many files which you can create for English. Now, you start creating some files for English. English listening. Keep one file named English listening. Listen every day and store it in your mind by listening again and again. These days, we have so much technology, you know, 10 years back, we didn't have so much. Now, you can record anything which you hear, which is good. All of you have your cell phones, record it, listen to it 10 times. You know today when I go to my MA class, you know how high-tech Usmania has become? As soon as I enter my class, 20 phones are kept on the table. My lecture, they record, they go home, and they listen. They listen 10 times, and they write the exam. This is how high-tech helps us to learn language. Whenever you listen to good English, record it in your cell phone. If you are recording songs, please record some English songs. The best way of learning a language is by learning rhythm. Keep by hurting, you know, many of you participate in Antakshari. When you don't know Hindi, they sing. My students sing 500 Hindi songs from memory. They don't know Hindi. How did they learn? That is how English is learned. It is called as learning by imitation. Do you know what imitation means? To do what somebody else is doing. You know, suppose on the road, one fellow goes selling plantains, saying, "What does a small child do?" In the same voice, same tone, the small child repeats, because the child is learning to speak. Now, we should become like those children. We should imitate good English whenever we listen. So I gave you 2 points about listening. One is listening to good, correct English. The second is listening to the same passage again and again and again. This you have to do every day. Can you do that? Only a few can. Every day, you have to listen to English videos or audios. You only need to listen for 5 minutes each day, but repeat those 5 minutes 10 or 20 times. Same 5 minutes, till that excellent English becomes a part of your memory. Start with 1 hour of practice by listening to good English. Listen repeatedly and focus on improving with each session. When you listen, your English becomes better. This is called as a foundation skill. Foundation is important. If you want to build a big building, you need a strong foundation. Similarly, for effective communication, listening is the foundation. There's another foundation as well, and that is reading. Read everything which you find, read everything which is English. But reading once is not enough. You need to read repeatedly. Now, when you read a passage or anything from any book, read it repeatedly. Read it again and again. Even if it's just one page, read it 10 times. The first time, focus on understanding the meaning. The second, third, fourth, and fifth times, focus only on the language. How are the sentences structured? How is the language used? This is important because simple mistakes in English can prevent you from being successful. What all of you need is listening and reading as the foundation for your knowledge of English. By listening repeatedly and reading consistently, you will build a strong base. Mastering these skills will help you avoid simple mistakes and ensure your success in communicating effectively in English. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing and have fun with your English learning journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English tips and motivation. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.